Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. My name's Ike, and today I'm in the Ewing location where we're gearing up for Father's Day. I don't know about you, but Father's Day gifts stress me out. But whenever I get stressed, I like to crouch down and listen to the soothing sounds of our fountains. Hey, there's an idea. What about a fountain? A water feature like this Acadia Wall fountain makes a solid option for a gift that Dad can appreciate for years and years to come. And they're not just for show either. Fountains like this tall log spill pose numerous benefits for the garden. Birds see moving water as a sign of cleanliness and freshness, so they'll usually flock to it for a cool drink in the summertime, and nothing could be more inviting than this tall ring of birds fountain. Fountains also provide a good source of water for bees and other pollinating insects, and bubbler fountains like the sunflower bubbler provide a landing space for them so they can take a sip in the summertime. The therapeutic benefits of fountains are also well documented. Studies have shown that seeing and listening to running water have lowered stress levels and boosted mood. And some of these water features, like this Crescent 2 spill, are so unique that Dad can very easily plan his garden bed around them with the fountain as the centerpiece. We carry so many different sizes and styles, whether you want something more naturalistic like this small log spill, the larger fallen logs fountain, which would look amazing in the back of the shade garden, or the smaller fallen logs fountain for a more gentle, tranquil sound. If Dad's an amphibian fan, we've got this trio of frogs oval. We have more modern and contemporary centerpiece fountains like this Matrix fountain, or the Slate Trio, perfect as a large centerpiece, or this rustic urn for a taller centerpiece fountain, or the Vesuvius for a bubbling statement piece. The Sedona fountain with a much more pronounced spill, which is perfect for cutting down on excessive noise in the area, or the Kayak, which is easily a staff favorite here with its wide sweeps of water.
We also have a full collection of fountains, bubblers, bird baths, statues, and more here at Bountiful Gardens, Hillsboro. If you're really trying to screen out background noise, you can go with the Copperhead Fountain with its tall, wide spillway, or the Butterfly Wall Fountain, whose presence in any setting makes a powerful yet peaceful statement. If you're keeping it classic, the 3-tiered Harvest Fountain is the perfect choice. And amphibian fans have a place here in Hillsboro too, with our 1-tier and 2-tier leaf fountains with these adorable frogs that double as spouts. Invite your feather friends to the garden with the Birds of a Feather and Dove of Love fountains. Or you can go with our 2- and 3-tier Tranquility Spill fountains. For a simple yet elegant single spillway, you can't go wrong with a springtime garden and Hummingbird single spout fountains, which offer just the right amount of natural flowing sound. And if you're limited on space, we also carry fountainets like the Sphere and Tropics Pineapple. To extend your enjoyment into the night, most of our fountains even come with LED lights and colorful filters. Setting up your fountain is a breeze. Just fill it with water and plug it in. Still feeling daunted? Take all that pressure off and have us deliver and install your new water feature for you. So what are you waiting for? Come pick out that perfect fountain today.
After spending so much time around these fountains, I feel a lot less stressed out about Father's Day. And so should you. So if you want a gift that really makes a splash, consider a water feature. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions about any of the fountains we showed or suggestions for videos in the future. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos just like this. Thanks, and happy planting.